Another day, another story. Atomic Habits is divided into 4 parts, each focusing on different aspects of habit formation and maintenance. Welcome to Tabo Eminent Channel. Part 1, The Fundamentals of Atomic Habits. The first part of the book lays out the foundational concepts and principles of atomic habits. Clear emphasizes the importance of making small changes and focusing on the process rather than the outcome. He introduces the concept of atomic habits, small and consistent actions that add up over time to produce significant results. Part 2, The 4 Laws of Behavior Change. Part 2 explains the 4 stages of habit formation: cue, craving, response, and reward. Clear breaks down each stage and explains how habits are formed and how to create effective habits and break bad ones. He also introduces the concept of habit stacking, linking a new habit to an existing habit to make it easier to remember and implement. Part 3, Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, make it satisfying. Part 3 provides practical strategies for implementing atomic habits. Clear focuses on creating an environment that supports good habits and developing a system of tracking and measuring progress. He also emphasizes the importance of making habits obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Part 4, The Downfall of Good Habits. The final part of the book discusses how to maintain good habits over the long term and how to recover from setbacks and slip-ups. Clear emphasizes the importance of focusing on the process of habit formation rather than just the end result. He also provides strategies for staying motivated and avoiding common pitfalls that can derail good habits. Throughout the book, Clear uses real-life examples and scientific research to support his strategies and concepts. He also provides practical exercises and worksheets to help readers apply the principles of atomic habits to their own lives. Thanks for watching.